Hello guys, and welcome to DTW tutorials. Welcome. So as I said on my previous video on what to do a night before your exam, if you want revision notes, come here to academics, come here to tutorials. Just enter any of these subjects, you will see key points. Are you with me? That is on the JAM syllabus, even WAEC. Alright, it completes the whole syllabus for each and every one of this. Okay, let's say you enter into government. When you go into government, oh sorry, there are ads running on the site. Alright, can you see all your key points? International, can you see? Just enter there. If you want let me show you some specific things. 1 minute. Like for physics, you want your formulas, come to guides. Okay, come to guides, you see it. Chemistry, can you see it? There's even a free mock here you can try. This is a 135 physics formula sheet. Just come to guides, you see the lucky headmaster questions and summaries here. Do you see? Okay, so come to guides, you will see all those. All right, then let me also show you. So you can just come here, enter into any of this. Let me go into chemistry to show you what I'm talking about. All right, can you see key points? If you want to quickly revise on each and every of these topics under chemistry, you can do this, or you can go to our website DTW Edu Store. Can you see it? edustore.com. We have made a PDF of all those things. All those things you see on DTW website, all the key points is in a PDF here. All right, just come to ebooks and you see them. This is for economics. Okay, this is for biology. Can you see? This is for physics, and it costs 500 naira. Can you see that? Government, come down here. Chemistry, CRS. It costs 500 naira to order. All right, to pay. You can pay online. It's quite easy. If you are finding it difficult to pay online, just come here, click WhatsApp me directly. I will send you a guide on how to order online. Very seamless and very simple. Once you just order, put in your email, it will send it the PDF copy to your email. You can see that how many pages is it? 61, 83. You can quickly revise this. This is revision notes. If you don't have any concrete revision notes, come and get this. You can quickly read this. 44 pages. See, government. All right, can you see it? CRS, can you see chemistry? 92 pages. Everything on the syllabus inside here. All right, but if you don't have the money for that, just go to our website. It is free there. Enter into each of the topic and you study. All right, so I just quickly want to do a video on this. You are blessed and you're destined to win, and you are going into your exam hall victorious and coming out with testimonies in Jesus' name. Okay, you are destined to win. Don't forget that Jesus Christ is coming soon. Please do give your life to Christ, for He is the way, the truth, and the life. You are blessed. Please do share this video to help someone with their revision. All right, thank you.